हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सब लोग कैसे हो? So today we are going to make super easy balloon rabbit. So let's get started. So let's take a balloon and a marble. और मार्बल को बलून में इंसर्ट करेंगे. And tie it with a rubber band. Now let's bring inner side out. अब हम इसको ब्लो करेंगे. So let's keep this aside. So here I have taken 2 rabbit ears and 2 small one also, and let's stick this. अब हम लेंगे इधर white paper and draw 2 blush and a mouth. And friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe also. So now we have taken everything and let's take this. And friends, finally our cute little rabbit is ready. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. And do follow us on Instagram also. Thank you for watching. Bye.